Yes. LEGO minifigures. There's been lots over the years. But you know what's really annoying about them? They don't come with things that they perhaps should have. And I'm not talking about things that didn't arrive when you got the set. I mean things they literally just could easily have added. But they didn't. So yeah, I'm going to be showing you how to upgrade several different figures, and then I'll just have the title as how to upgrade Clone Customs Captain Rex, even though I'm doing more than just that in the video right now, because people would think that's it. Whatever. So yes. The glorious Captain T-Rex. I mean, he would be glorious if he came with the parts that Clone Customs knows he needs. Not sure whether it's just me, but personally, I prefer him like this. I don't know exactly whether it's accurate. I didn't really do research. Actually, I'm going to do that right now. So, yeah, just for reference, he does have whatever an antennae on his helmet, so, just for reference. So, now you may be wondering, oh, but I'd have to pay for one, and I don't want to have to pay, because it's money, you know. All I'm gonna say, or more like do, is sorry, you get the point. So, your knockoff Boba Fett minifigure didn't come with an antenna? Spare parts. Spare parts, yeah. Clone Customs were too much of a butt wipe to not include an antennae for Captain Rex. Spare parts. Oh, what else can you do with spare parts? Well, I'm not going to show you, but instead I'm going to show you how to upgrade a Luke Skywalker, if I can just pull him out of my special drawer designated to Star Wars figures. Oh, that disgusting haircut just does not do him any favours. I mean, I look so handsome, even though I never show my face on camera. And that would literally ruin the entire interpretation of my face. And just for reference, no, I mean, I'm not just going to show my face just for reference. Come 100 subs, maybe. What I meant to say was 1 million. Yeah. Also, almost had fast stuff all over it, but yeah, what can you do? Garmadon here, Lloyd Garmadon here. Even though he looks like a hecking Karen now. But I'm a Dream fan slash staying at home. I want to know how to make a custom Dream and Technoblade. Fine. So yeah, this is the part that you've probably been waiting for. Look, Dream in LEGO, guys. How did you make it? Well, I'm gonna tell you if you will actually shut up. First of all, where the flip is his shield? He came with his shield. Flip, 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 flip. I'm saying flip, not the F word, just so you know, because I would never say the F word. I would never say cuss words. It's illegal. If you say cuss words and then a police hears it, you could go to jail. And you have to eat broccoli. So yeah, not very accurate representation, but I mean, I put a lot of work into it. If you guys don't appreciate it, then why do you come to the channel? Actually, I'm starting to think people don't appreciate my channel anymore. Please appreciate my channel, or else I will die. And this isn't auto-tune, this is a natural sound that I can make. Please, I need respect. No one respects me, not even in real life. My life is so sad. Okay, whatever. So I wasn't crying there, by the way. Ooh. So, parts you'll need. If I can click. Otherwise I can't do the magic. Duh. Oh, but what about Technoblade? I'm also a Technoblade stan. How to make Technoblade? And on with the parts that you'll need. I present them to you right here, right now, and they're there, on screen. But again, I'm too dumb to know how to assemble a LEGO minifigure. Like, I'm sure they all have their intricate ways of being assembled. How do I do it? Well, I'll show you, you absolute hecking moron. Yeah, And, well, so I can't think of anything else to do. Well, I mean, I'm just gonna, leave it there. Shout out to Shadow Legend 258, I think we called him. From a video that no one watched, which, shame on you. So yeah, that's how you make a custom LEGO Dream and Technoblade. You upgrade some stuff. There's a lot of funny stuff. While you actually watch the stop motion parts. Yeah. If you stayed to the end of the video, put PogChamp in the comments. So, I mean, yeah, there's nothing else I can think of. So, boom, video over. Ta-ta! Dad calls a rubbish dump tatas.